In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add employees to QuickBooks Online in just 5 minutes. Whether you're setting up QuickBooks for the first time or expanding your team, understanding how to manage your employees in the system is crucial. So let's dive into the step-by-step process and get started. First, you'll want to begin by signing into your QuickBooks Online account. To do this, head over to the QuickBooks Online website. If you're not directed there automatically, you can simply type the URL into your browser or search for it using your preferred search engine. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign In button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click it. After hitting the Sign In button, you'll see a few different options. For our purposes, select QuickBooks Online from the list. Before proceeding, just make sure you have your login credentials handy, as we'll be needing those next. Now enter your username and password. It's important to ensure that these credentials are correct to avoid any login issues. Once you've typed them in, click Continue to access your account. Once you are inside QuickBooks, navigate to the Employees section. To find it, you'll typically need to look at the dashboard or the main menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking Employees will take you to the area where you can view and manage your employee records. Next, you'll want to look for and click on the option that says Add an Employee. This button is usually prominently displayed near the top of the employee management page, making it easy to find. Now comes the part where you enter your employee's details. Start by typing in the first name of your employee in the field provided. It's important to record names accurately to keep records clean and organized. Then move on to entering the last name. This information, along with the first name, will help you easily identify and manage your employees in QuickBooks. After that, you'll be prompted to add an email address for your employee. This step is crucial if you plan to communicate electronically or use other features in QuickBooks that require email confirmation. Next, you'll specify the hire date. This can be important for tracking tenure and calculating certain employment benefits. Make sure to enter the correct date to keep your records precise. Finally, confirm all the details you've entered to ensure there are no errors. Once you're satisfied that everything is accurate, you'll click on Add Employee. This final step saves the information and officially adds them to your QuickBooks Online account. And there you have it, you've successfully added a new employee to QuickBooks Online. By following these straightforward steps, you're well on your way to mastering the employee management feature in QuickBooks. Thanks for joining me today, and if you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore the other resources and tutorials available. Happy bookkeeping!